Today we'll be having a quick test drive and review with the brand new BMW 520d. Today we're having some fun with the brand new BMW 5 Series G60. It has a 2-liter diesel engine, which is mild hybrid, and it has 197 horsepower. The automatic transmission is a Steptronic, which has a torque converter, and it feels pretty nice. I had this car for around 3 hours, and to be honest, I do not like it that much, and I will tell you why. First of all, it's full of screens, and I always prefer having buttons instead of screens. But this is a personal option, so don't take my word for it. Materials feel very premium, and the most interesting thing about this vehicle is that it's super soundproof. You can barely hear anything from outside, and you can tell that especially when you grab the doors, when you want to close or open the doors, you will feel that they are extremely heavy. I have to tell you that I have driven other previous models of the 5 Series, starting with the E39. I haven't driven older models than the E39, but I have driven the E39, the E60. I have even owned for a few months a BMW 520i with the N52 engine. And I have also driven the F10 with most of the engines, 2-liter gasoline, 3-liter naturally aspirated gasoline, the 3-liter turbocharged, the 3-liter diesel. I haven't driven the 4.4-liter V8, but overall the car felt great with all the versions that I have tried. But for me the most interesting model was G30 so far, because it had all the nice looking ambient lights, buttons, it had different kinds of engines, and right now I think it's the best bang for your buck if you want to buy a used BMW 5 Series. For now, this 5 Series that I'm driving, it feels nice, it feels premium, it smells like it's a almost brand new car, it's economical, it's pretty heavy, almost 1.9 tons, 18 to 1900 kilograms. It has all kinds of features, sensors, displays, which kinda make me worry in the long run, because in case one of those displays or sensors have any issues, they will be difficult and expensive to maintain, to replace or to repair. This 5 Series felt a little bumpy, even though having a stiff suspension and a stiff chassis, it makes the car feel great during corners. Handling is great, but I suppose somebody who wants a 5 Series or 7 Series wants some comfort. So you have some comfort, you have great soundproofing. The car, even though has a diesel engine, you can barely hear it. It's a refined diesel engine. When you stop, the mild hybrid kicks in and the engine shuts off. Basically, you don't have the option to use the start-stop feature. You cannot make the engine run continuously. You have a forced, let's say, a mandatory start-stop, let's say. But that's because the car, as I said earlier, is a mild hybrid. Even though it's a mild hybrid, it doesn't quite really feel like a hybrid. If you want to feel a real hybrid, you have to get a full hybrid or a plug-in hybrid, which BMW does not offer for diesel versions. You have some plug-in versions, which I think they are the option to go in case you want performance, great fuel consumption, and so on. You know, in Europe people love diesel engines, and this is the compromise that you can get. A diesel engine with a mild hybrid, which overall I do not like and I wouldn't buy. The boot feels tiny, even if it has some liters in it, but it's quite narrow. You cannot fit 2 medium-sized trollers. You can fit only maybe 3 or 4 cabin-size trollers. And overall, I think even if the car seems a little big, on the inside it's actually pretty small. Not for the driver or the passenger on the right, but in the rear and in the boot, space is kind of limited. And of course, what I do not like about BMWs in general, when you get a brand new one, it depreciates like hell. This car will depreciate to about 40% in less than 3 years, which is a lot. So if you have the money, if you want to buy such a car, if you don't want to lose that much money, you can look for a used one which has only about 2 years old. So to sum up, the car seems pretty nice, but I wouldn't bother buying or owning the G60 5 Series. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you liked this review of the BMW 520d from 2024. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like this episode. I'll see you guys in the next video.